Hey folks, welcome to Peepaw's shop. I bought me a net for catching birds, catching chickens. I raise chickens. So let's see what we got in the box. Well, I guess that's the net. One net anyway. There's another one in here. Okay, this one's on a frame. So we'll have to see what that does. We got what appears to be our handle. And we got what appears to be a bigger net. So it looks like I've got 3 nets. So let me put something together and we'll see how it looks. So that is going to be for the net. This is going to be for the handle. Then we got this net here. She's coming up there like that. Okay. So the more we spread the net out, the more likely that goes in there like that. And then we got our smaller net. And I guess this isn't so much a net as a bag. So you can store, I guess, one of the other nets in it. So, I guess I just need to go catch some chickens. I don't have any running around loose right now. And there you go, where we are chicken ready, net ready. All I got to do is get over top of them things. And of course we got this great old big net here. I suppose that might be great for going after a turkey or something, but this, it looks like it might be a little big for my chickens. So I don't know if I'll be using that right away. But anyway, if you're chasing around some of your chickens or you need to separate your flock, hey, I recommend you give this net right here a try. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to separate some of my chickens from my flock. And we're going to use this net right here. Hey, y'all give it a look. I think it's going to work well for me. It works well for me. I believe it works well for you. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.